Things you didn't know were invented by kids. Hey, friends! Did you know some of the world's coolest things were invented by kids just like you? All right, friends. Let's start with our first fun fact. An 11-year-old invented popsicles. He left his soda mix out on a cold night and boom! Frozen fun on a stick. Ready for the next fun fact? Let's jump right in. A kid once imagined how fun bouncing could be wrong. And that's how the trampoline idea was born. Bowing, bowing. Here comes fact number 3. And it's a really cool one. 15-year-old Chester made earmuffs so his ears felt cozy in the cold. Ta-da! Okay, time for our 4th fun fact. Get ready to be amazed. Did you know? A 15-year-old kid once created a reading system using tiny raised dots. It's called Braille, and you can read it just by touching. And now, our final fun fact. This one's super awesome! Guess what? A 6-year-old kid once built a toy truck using simple things at home. Isn't that amazing? So remember, no idea is too small. Big dreams can start from little minds. Keep dreaming. Maybe you will invent something amazing too. Bye-bye.